So, you've just got your shiny new YouTrip card. Excitement's buzzing, right? But one question lingers: can I use it right now? Let's dive in and find out. YouTrip, a popular travel card, offers a convenient way to spend overseas. No more worrying about exchange rates or hefty transaction fees. But before you jet off to your dream destination, there are a few things to consider. The activation process. Physical card arrival. Patience is key. While you're eager to start swiping, it's important to remember that your physical card needs to arrive. This usually takes a few business days. Digital card to the rescue. Don't let the wait dampen your travel plans. YouTrip provides a digital card that you can use immediately. Simply download the YouTrip app, activate your account, and start using your virtual card. Account activation. Quick and easy, the activation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions in the app. Verification steps. You might need to verify your identity by uploading specific documents. This is a standard security measure to ensure account safety. Immediate use cases. Once your account is activated, you can start using your YouTrip card, physical or digital, for various purposes. Online shopping. Global brands. Purchase from international retailers like Amazon, eBay, and more. Secure transactions. Benefit from the card's robust security features. Overseas spending. Currency conversion. Automatically convert your home currency to the local currency of your destination. Fee-free transactions. Enjoy the perk of no foreign transaction fees. ATM withdrawals. Cash access. Withdraw local currency from ATMs worldwide. Check fees and limits. Be aware of potential withdrawal fees and daily limits. Tips for first-time users. Currency loading. Top up in advance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your YouTrip wallet before your trip. Multiple currencies. You can hold multiple currencies in your account, providing flexibility for various destinations. Security best practices. Strong password. Create a strong, unique password for your YouTrip account. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to protect your funds. App utilization. Real-time exchange rates. Check the latest exchange rates directly in the app. Transaction history. Keep track of your spending and easily manage your finances. While you might not be able to use your physical YouTrip card immediately, the digital card offers a convenient solution. By following the activation process and understanding the card's capabilities, you can make the most of your travel experiences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.